ignite a melody shining endless light. Feel the pull of a distant tune. A journey begins under the moon. Waves of stardust carry the beat, rhythms echo where dreams and cosmos meet. Lift your heart, let the music unwind. We're chasing the sound, leaving time behind. Starbound sound calling through the skies, a symphony where galaxies rise. Follow the rhythm, let it take you high. Starbound sound where the stars never die. Dancing on the edge of space and time, every note a cosmic sign. Auroras paint the endless blue, each beat a guide to something new. Floating on waves of celestial streams, the universe sings, fulfilling dreams. Let the sound take us far from the ground, to a place where only stars are found. Starbound sound calling through the skies, a symphony where galaxies rise. Follow the rhythm, let it take you high. Starbound sound where the stars never die. Light years away, but the beat feels near, a cosmic hum that we both can hear. Spinning in harmony, endless and free, the sound of the stars, our destiny. Starbound sound, our path is clear, a dance with the cosmos, no limits here. Feel the music, let it surround. In the endless void we found our sound. Starbound sound, a journey untold, a symphony bright, a story of gold. We're bound by the stars, forever in tune, lost in the music beneath.